Today, we're making a very crunchy little gem salad with a bit of parmesan and a bit of bottarga. It's a very simple dish that we had a couple of days ago at Sabor, one of my favorite Spanish restaurants in London. They made the little gem so crunchy that I tried to recreate that from home. I find that two things help the little gem get crunchy: an ice bath and some salt. So first, we're gonna do that. You want to remove the outer leaves and then cut this in half. We'll serve them in quarters, but I normally just cut them in half because it's easier for the salad spinner later. And you trim off the very ugly bit at the bottom. They always turn red for some reason. Now, only serving the best leaves. We add some salt and ice water. This now goes into the fridge for about half an hour. After that, we'll come back and plate. All right, after 30 minutes and a ride in my salad spinner, we're ready. You can see it firmed up so much from the salted ice water. First, cut them into quarters. Can you hear the difference from the crunch? It's incredible. It's like a different vegetable. Can you hear that? Oof. Now, since the water was already quite salty, and there's a lot of salt in parmesan and bottarga, we're not gonna salt it, just a bit of olive oil and some lemon juice. Now you just toss to mix. Now, we'll plate a portion for one. Then, the parmesan. Use a microplane. Unlike my friend Damian told me, microplane is one-way traffic. You don't go like that. You only go forward. This looks like a lot, but they are very, very thin. So be generous. Gina, this is also for you. Now, the bottarga. Also, one-way traffic. This is very salty, so be careful. Then another round of parm on top to push out the bottarga and cover them. And there you have it. Extra crunchy little gem lettuce salad with parmesan and bottarga. I hope you enjoy.